Residential office zoned, PD, direct frontage on Goliad and Rockwall, Texas, and a short distance from the Rockwall Historic Square. High traffic exposure. Large .41 acre lot. Previously leased as residential rental. Tear down or remodel. Open living room to the kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, covered carport, and a fenced-in backyard area. Great commercial opportunity for any business. Being sold for land value. Buyers and buyer's agents to verify all information, zoning, etc. part of an estate and was an investment property. Sold as is, whereas. No VA or FHA. Prefer cash or conventional. No seller financing. New survey.